Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Quant with Binance. First, you need to set up your Binance account. Begin by registering with your email or phone number, then complete the identity verification process. This usually involves submitting a photo ID and a selfie. Finally, activate two-factor authentication, like Google Authenticator, to protect your account from unauthorized access. This crucial step ensures your funds are secure. Once your Binance account is secure, the next step is to fund your wallet. You can deposit fiat currency using a bank transfer or a debit card, or transfer existing cryptocurrency. Many users prefer to convert their fiat into a stablecoin, such as USD, as it offers more flexibility when trading for other cryptocurrencies, like Quant. Always check the associated deposit fees to maximize your investment. Now for the exciting part, buying Quant. Head over to the trade section on Binance and choose spot trading. In the search bar, look for the Quant trading pair you prefer, like QNT versus USD. You can then place a market order to buy Quant instantly at the current price, or set a limit order to purchase it when it reaches your desired price point. After successfully acquiring Quant, securing your investment is paramount. For long-term holding, consider transferring your QNT to a hardware wallet, which offers superior security compared to leaving it on an exchange. Always monitor your Binance account for any unusual activity. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Protecting your assets and staying informed are key to a successful crypto journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.